Welcome back. Here's problem 2. For the system of equations 2x plus 3y equals k and 4x plus 6y equals 10, for which value of k is there no solution? Well, the idea here is if two lines have the same slope, so I'll highlight that. If they have the same slope but different intercepts, they are parallel or have no solution. I want you to keep that in mind as we're working through this problem. Now let's go ahead and rewrite the two equations. 2x plus 3y equals k and 4x plus 6y equals 10. Next, let's simplify the equations, and we can see in the first equation that it's already simplified, but we can simplify the second equation. If you take a look at the numbers 4, 6, and 10, we can pull out their greatest common factor, which is 2. That means we're going to take and divide the whole equation by 2. Now, 4x divided by 2 is 2x, plus 6y divided by 2 is 3y, equals 10 divided by 2 is 5. Let's move over the first equation so that way it is lined up with the second equation. We have 2x plus 3y equals k. Okay, so now the system is 2x plus 3y equals k and 2x plus 3y equals 5. But I want you to notice something. Both equations here, as you can see, have the exact same left-hand side, 2x plus 3y and 2x plus 3y. That means they have the same slope. Let me write that here. 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y have the same slope. Okay, so what do you think? Are these lines parallel or are they the same line? Think about this. If k equals 5, then both equations are the same line, and that will give infinitely many solutions. Now, if k does not equal 5, then we have two different lines with the same slope but different intercepts, which means they are parallel lines, and parallel lines never meet. In this case, k does not equal 5. Does not equal 5, but they have parallel lines. Parallel lines never meet, right? So, of course, this means there is no solution. So if this system has no solution whenever k does not equal 5, then that means our final answer is no solution if k does not equal 5. If k does not equal 5, that is our final answer. So excellent work here. I want you to remember same slope, same intercept. That's infinitely many solutions. But if you have the same slope with a different intercept, no solution. And that's what we have going on here. We have the same slope, but different intercept. So that's all we have here. In problem 3, we're going to switch up gears and practice finding the slope of a line through 2 points.